This 2024 Keystone Springdale Classic Mini 1810BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Lamoni, Iowa, 50140 and is offered for sale by Zoomers RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 22 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 7, Slideout, and 21 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features Bunkhouse. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.